btree is the first blockchain platform designed specifically for reproducible human-subject experiments. Experiments drive knowledge and decisions, but their integrity still depends on trust. btree solves this by moving every critical step of the experimental workflow on-chain. Demand for experiments is rising. Academic research in experimental economics has surged, and companies like Google now run over 10,000 A/B tests annually. The world needs scalable, trustworthy experiment infrastructure. The heart of the scientific method is replication, but the human sciences often fail to replicate, leading to a lapse of trust in the saints. btree is designed to restore trust by enforcing open science standards. btree turns open science principles into on-chain rules. Researchers pre-register experiments as smart contracts. Subjects with persistent on-chain histories are assigned to them. Decisions generate immutable data stored on-chain. And pre-registered code is sent to an oracle to automatically test hypotheses. These are true blockchain-native experiments. Our market is large and growing. Even if we focus just on Algorand, our serviceable obtainable market reaches $27 million per year by 2031, based on realistic wallet conversion and subject payment growth assumptions. For adoption, we focus on channels that give us immediate access to research scientists through professional contacts and subjects through existing subject pools. These channels give us direct, high-quality access to the people who will use and support btree. Our revenue model is simple: a fee based on a percentage of subject payments. btree enforces a minimum subject compensation. Even with our fees, btree will greatly reduce the costs of running experiments. In the competitive landscape, no other platform combines programmability, decentralization, automated payouts, auditable data, enforced open science, and persistent subject profiles. btree is the only platform that integrates all six. By the end of 2025, we will complete our proof of concept with 50 subjects. In early 2026, our MVP launches with 250 subjects and 10 experiments. By 2027, our goal is to host 2,500 subjects and 200 experiments from academia and industry. Our team combines decades of experimental economics experience, blockchain market design. This is the expertise needed to build a new scientific infrastructure. Our ask is funding to build a citizen science subject pool and incentivize early experiments by research scientists. This is an investment in the first blockchain-native scientific infrastructure for behavioral data. Our live proof of concept is already running.
Welcome to btree. This is our homepage. People who want to join as citizen scientists can register an account and start their journey. They must first connect their wallet to enter the btree dApp. A new person has started the sign-up process. Here, they're told they must have a new account to help maintain their privacy. We use Laura to check. Okay, this account is good. They are now registered with our registry contract. On the admin page, we see we have 4 registered subjects. If we use Laura, we can look at the registry contract itself and see the transactions that build our citizen scientist reputation and behavioral profile. When registered citizen scientists enter btree, they go to their dashboard. On their dashboard, they can check their reputation, look for experiments to participate in, vote on propositions concerning btree governance, and read and send messages to the administrator or our research scientists. On the right, they see the time their next experiment will start. Using btree, a research scientist has built a new experiment and registered it on the Algorand blockchain. They can now assign citizen scientists to the contract, fund the contract, and start it up. Back at our citizen scientist dashboard, time has arrived for them to enter the experiment. First stop is the waiting room, where they sign the informed consent required by an IRB and wait for other participants. Now, they're in the experiment. They must decide how many tokens to send to the other participant S2. They decide on 40. Now they wait for S2 to make their decision. S2 has returned 65. The experiment is over. S1 has earned 75 tokens, which will be paid to their authorized wallet as USDC. Thank you for taking a moment to watch.